Welcome everyone to the first video in the new Accelerated Mentorship program. The program was developed for traders of any skill set, so don't worry if you're new to trading the markets. We want to help you get up to speed and become a self-made trader as fast as possible. You can learn at your own pace, which means you can take it as slow or as fast as you're comfortable with. The program includes all the courses and software currently available at Daytradetowin. It also includes live mentorship classes, so you get to attend the classes live to get all your questions answered. We recommend that you review all the videos in order, so this being video number 1, we're going to cover the member access portal, how to download all of the courses and software. Video 2 is going to cover price action, making money, losing money, as well as candlesticks, what they mean, so a little bit of basics. And then we go right into the training with the rest of the videos and the software. Let's begin with a disclaimer on the risks involved with trading. You've probably seen a similar disclaimer throughout the internet about the risks involved with trading, whether it be Forex, stocks, or options, or futures. We recommend that you pause the video if you have any questions, review the disclaimer and the risks involved with trading. Email us if you have any questions. Let's start with the tools needed to trade, and that begins with getting to know your member account. Your member account is where you can find all of the software, the downloads, all of the training videos, and access to any resources that you may need to get you on your journey. The charting platform we use is NinjaTrader, and it's recommended, or you can use a similar charting platform. We help you download NinjaTrader if needed. You also need a data feed. So in order for the charts to run and you can see them moving live, a data feed is required. So a separate set of credentials linking to the charting platform in order to feed the live data into the charts. We help you with that access. Software installation, which means that all of the courses and software are available on your member account for download. They're included, but they do need to be licensed. We're going to review all of the trading videos first. Every lesson covers a different trading strategy, including the profits, the stops, the trade management. You should go through each video in series, this being video number 1. Now we also want you to have hands-on experience by practicing. We provide the training simulator so you could go ahead and place the trades, understand the methods, and then when you're finished, let's attend live training in the mentorship class on your schedule. At any point in time, if you need help or support for installation or for setup, email us at support@daytradetowin.com or just use the contact page at daytradetowin.com. Let's get to know your member account. After logging into your member account, you have 3 areas to explore. The first section is the member access, videos, and downloads. It's the exclusive content. This is where all the software and downloads are available. Mentorship training videos and the written courses can be accessed. There's another section called free downloads. The free downloads include the Get Started Trading Guide if you still need to download NinjaTrader. There's a news indicator there if you still need to download the news indicator. We also have an online trading news calendar. So the free download section is just an area for you to get to know NinjaTrader a little bit more. We also have popular how-to videos. So let's say that you want to learn a little bit more on how to navigate through NinjaTrader as you're learning. We have these popular how-to videos on how to set up a new chart, how to add a indicator. So these popular how-to videos are very informative. It's a great resource to access. Next, we need a charting platform. We use the NinjaTrader charting platform. Now, if you haven't done so already, install NinjaTrader, use the download guide that we created. It has all the links on how to install it. And especially for the new traders, if you get stuck, don't worry. Send us an email, give us a call. We'll definitely help you set it up at no charge. We also want you to learn how to use it. So NinjaTrader is easy to use. It's an easy charting platform, but you have to learn how to use it. So that's why we created the free popular how-to videos on learning how to open charts, how to navigate through NinjaTrader. What if I want to add an indicator? What if I want to change things? So the popular how-to videos are very informative because it helps you get up to speed using the charting platform. Now, along with having NinjaTrader, we also need to feed the charts with a data feed. So the data feed allows the market, whether it be the E-mini or the NASDAQ or the Dow, to actually trade and look at live market environment, and that's very important. So a data feed is required to allow for live market movement and for practicing. On your member site, there is a area which is listed in green. It's instructions on how to install a data feed. So please review the instructions on how to install a data feed, because it allows you to connect live data inside NinjaTrader. It uses a separate username and password, and if you need help getting that set up, just let us know, but the tutorial is pretty straightforward. Now, every 14 days, the free data feed expires. Email us, let us know that you need a new data feed, and we'll definitely help you out with that. If you get stuck at any point in time, even after reviewing the instructions listed in green on your member account, send us an email. We have to install some proprietary software, and that software is the Daytradetowin software, such as the Atlas line, the Trade Scalper, the News Indicator. So we have to install the software, and this is actually a two-step process. So on the exclusive member page, you have an area to download all of the software. We also have instructions on how to do that. So in order to download the software, you click on each link. So let's say we start off with the Atlas line. You click on the Atlas line link, it downloads the file onto your computer. Now, you don't have to unzip the file or do anything with that file except for importing that file. So again, the instructions are pretty clear. It's just importing the downloaded files into NinjaTrader. Now, installing the indicators is one part of what we have to do. The second part of what we have to do after we install the indicators into NinjaTrader is license them. We have to license the indicators to your computer. It's a one-time licensing step. It just requires you to add the Daytradetowin name, and the instructions are also in green right on your member site, how to license indicators. Again, at any time if you get stuck or need help, feel free to reach out. Let's begin with learning step by step, starting at the beginning. So this being the first video is going to cover the member site. It's going to cover how to get you up and running, but follow the video schedule. Every lesson builds on your trading foundation. So each video focuses on a different strategy. The second video is going to cover price action, making money, losing money, target stops, trade management. It's very in-depth. We go on to video number 3, which is starting the trading strategies. So every video is intended to build upon as you continue your progress. The course manuals also included on your member site are a great resource. You can refer to them, you can read them. It explains the strategies and how to implement them above and beyond what's in the training videos. Again, we want you to practice, especially placing trades. So part of the program is hands-on. It focuses on learning how to place trades, manage trades, profits, targets, stops, and so much more. So we encourage you to practice in the simulator, which is part of NinjaTrader, during live environment, a live data. Even if you do it in market replay, we want you to practice, because at the end, if you practice and get to know the strategies and what's taught, then you can attend the live mentorship class and you can go ahead and start on your own. Now, the second part of the program is the mentorship classes and the live training that's included. So part 1 of you becoming a self-made trader is learning the basics, going through the program and practicing, placing real-time trades, using the software, using the strategies that we teach. We encourage every trader to review the training videos multiple times and then email us if you have any questions while you're learning. Now, part 2 is the live training, which is really all about you guys. We want you to understand what you're doing by asking questions live, attending the live classes, and after learning the methods in the video training, you have a much better perspective what to do, how to do it when it comes to the live training. So you'll get access to multiple live training sessions with a pro that fit within your schedule. During the day is the best time to watch the markets, get the answers that you need as it's happening, and focus on making trading a success. Now that we've finished video 1, let's continue to video 2 of the Accelerated Mentorship program. We're going to learn the foundational trading basics, including the computer setup, understanding price charts, brokers and fees, day trading versus overnight, tick values, point values, how to make money, lose money, adding and configuring indicators, drawing tools, the DOM, chart trader, market replay, rolling over. There's a lot in the next video. If you're ready, let's start on video 2.